Hello, my name is Brian Worley. I'm the president and owner of Brian Worley Insurance in Moody, Alabama. Today we're going to talk about a few concepts for business insurance and planning. Business owners are met with risks every day, from fire, windstorm, and accidental injury, to fraud, theft, and employee malfeasance and more. Understanding how to properly plan and manage those risks can often determine whether a business owner realizes his dreams of long-term success or is met with a premature failure. Many businesses choose to transfer that risk to an insurance company. Much of the coverage that we'll discuss today can be packaged together or as a comprehensive plan, but one should always consult his or her own agent or expert for advice concerning specific needs. For our discussion today, we'll consider a few of the main items and concepts concerning business insurance and planning. The first type of coverage we'll discuss is general liability insurance, often referred to as GL insurance. This type of policy pays for damages if someone else is injured or negligence by the business operations of the organization. Most people think of this coverage as simply slip and fall insurance, but it typically affords coverage beyond physical injury, oftentimes extending coverage for advertising injury or what's called products completed operations. And it also can include the cost of defense in the event of a lawsuit arising from a claim. Business owners working on a contractual basis often find their customers will require this type of coverage as a condition of working a job, securing a contract, or working on another business's location. Business property insurance is typically a part of the general liability policy. And if the business is housed in a business-owned structure, this section can provide coverage for that business-owned structure. If not, it can still cover a business's inventory, office equipment, furniture, computers, point-of-sale systems, and any business-owned property used to operate the business. These losses are typically subject to a deductible and covered on a replacement cost basis. Fire, windstorm, hail, and other physical damage, including theft, are a few of the most common losses. In the event of a covered loss of income protection can be used to pay for the income replacement of the business owner while the business operations are being restored. If a fire damages the building structure or the covered operational equipment or inventory, the business income can be replaced while the damaged items are repaired, replaced, or restored. Many large companies have made headlines lately for their inability to keep customer data secure, and small businesses face the same risk. Technological advances have accentuated the need for data compromise coverage, and businesses should consider how to protect themselves against a similar breach of security. Apart from general liability coverage that protects the operational side of the business, many professionals may want to consider something called professional liability insurance, or more commonly, errors and omissions coverage. Medical professionals, attorneys, lawyers, architects, engineers, or others who regularly offer advice directly to customers may benefit from this type of liability protection, which covers against giving inaccurate advice, negligence, or misrepresentation. Employers are financially responsible for their employees' work-related injuries or sicknesses. These costs can include medical expenses, rehabilitation expenses, or lost wages. An employee has an accident on the job and can't work for 6 months. The employer is responsible. An employer can also seek coverage for these expenses from a workers' compensation policy. In addition to the risks surrounding general liability and professional liability, businesses today face more scrutiny than ever before when considering the employee relationship. Should an employee make accusations of discrimination, wrongful termination, or harassment in the workplace, or any other type of employment-related claims against the company, it can seek protection from its employment liability or EPL policy. Risk is everywhere, and how to manage those risks is one of the many choices that business owners face today and every day. I hope that our talk today was helpful in introducing a few business insurance planning concepts as you move forward with your business. Thank you.